Welcome back for another GRT price prediction analysis video, and on this video I will be discussing the short-term price action and also the long-term price action to expect here on the GRT chart, which has been seeing massive gains in movements that have now given us a high above the 0.4947 at the time of this recording. And allow me to start my video here on the daily chart by first giving you my long-term outlook and also my long-term price target areas. And you can see here on the charts, GRT has continued to obey the Elliot structures starting from 2022, where you can see that after getting these significant lows, we saw that aggressive move to the upside, giving us a high above the 0.23 in a move that I have been terming as the formation of this Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we saw a bear market in the formation of this Elliott wave count 2, where we bottomed out down below the 0.0779. And after getting the low for the second wave, we started another aggressive move to the upside in what I'm now terming as the formation of this Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.3643, which is a target area that we have now fully maximized. And you can easily see that we have managed to break above that key area on the Fibonacci's and continued to push even higher. And there are chances that in case in the next coming hours you continue seeing this bullish momentum and we see a break above the 0.4947, then GRT will give us more gains to the next key area on the Fibonacci, which is the fib level 2.618, and that is above the 0.5427. That is the next target area that I have here on the GRT chart in case we are able to break above the 0.4947 in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that since we have fully maximized our minimum target area over here above the 0.36, there are also high chances that GRT could now have a high in place in the formation of this wave 3, maybe above the 0.4947, and if that is the case, then there are chances that in the next coming hours we might see a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 4, and once we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 4, then we can continue seeing higher prices in the formation of this wave 5 to the upper side. And the minimum target areas, assuming that we have a high in place in the formation of this wave 3, can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, giving us a minimum target area back to the area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the 0.3364 and the 0.287, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. So in case in the next coming hours we see a bit of a pullback, which can also be attributed to BTC giving us a pullback also, this is the area that we need to watch out for. And this is an area that also needs to continue holding and also act as support, see much of a consolidation, get a low in place in the formation of that wave 4, then see a reversal to the upside, giving us another push in the formation of that Elliott wave count 5 to the upside. So that is the breakdown target area that I have in place in case we see a pullback in the formation of this wave 4. But remember, in case we see a break back above the 0.4947, then my breakout target area lies above the 0.54 as the next significant high in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the GRT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.